floor here with my goody and tea in it. Been wanting to try it. Haven't had a chance, of course, using it since I just unboxed it. I guess I could have showed you this side here. In case somebody wants to know, that's a Maxi IM508. And what it is, this little tool right here is all designed for immobilizer stuff. So I did a little bit of research on this. So get that camera over here. I'll give you guys a shot of it. What all is in the box right there, but that's essentially it right there. Actually, I'm going to set her up over there. Don't have to bend over. So we've got the accessories over here. Give you a better shot of that, where you see what you're getting with it. Now, I don't remember, you must excuse me, I don't remember exactly what that kit, the kit number, this kit number, I don't exactly know what it is, but there is another scan tool, and I have talked, and the reason I know this, damn, wrong direction again, dummy. The only reason that I know that is because I had a lengthy conversation with Autel. Take it like a grain of salt. Not saying that I'm correct. I'm not. All I can tell you is what I was told by them. But anyway, the IM608. If any of you guys got the shoot, I can't even remember the letters in front of it. Anyway, the 908 Pro that I used for some time. That's this little fella right here. The Maxis is, it's a 908P. This is the one that that's got this pass-through module. But anyway, if anybody is serious about doing more immobilizer stuff, including the European stuff, and now that I think about it, we'll probably make a separate video on this one, so I'm probably going to edit this here and separate it out. But anyway, we're going to make it part 2 for this one here. But anyway, they told me that the diagnostic part of the 608 is nearly similar, or very similar, or even the same as the 908P. It will have the pass-through module with it. It got the same color as this, but it also has the something 400 kit that does include I almost said all of the European, and that would be incorrect. But it does do European cars, where this unit here, from what I understand, will not. Now, I do know that this thing here is capable of cloning some keys, and that's basically what the other attachment is for. I'm gonna try that after a while and see if I can't use this thing here to clone a key. But anyway, just thought I'd share that with you guys. Like I said, I've got some, I got the SBB tool and some other various items that I use to do immobilizer stuff, and generally those tools work great on the older vehicles, but you get into the newer vehicles, they don't work. And I don't know that this will work. It just, Autel made it a lot easier as far as the procedures that it takes to do it. They made it a lot easier from what I understand with that tool right there, as far as guiding you through everything a little bit better. So I'll be making a video here pretty shortly, I'm sure. Like I said, I cut keys all the time, so we'll see. Okay, so this this is the continuation on the Autel, the IM508. 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. I've got a couple of keys here, see if we can add it. Get this thing plugged in and hopefully talking. So we got, of course, we got an original, and then we got two aftermarket fobs here. Oh, I'm going to get you a screenshot over here. Well, I'm going to use the phone. I don't even know if this is going to work. I've noticed one thing, we have to accept each time we do this. So, Dodge. And we're going to go into, sorry about that, go into smart mode. Turn the ignition on. Okay. Turn that radio off before it starts blasting. I'm assuming that's I don't really know what I'm supposed to do there. Turn it on, turn it off. I did that. The red password 8373. Okay, 8373 we already know. So we don't need to do that again. Immobilizer. Key learning. Number of keys. Okay, there's 2 keys. That's what I wanted to know. I think this vehicle here will hold up to 8, I believe. So go into key learning. Please remove the button and insert the key to the learn. Otherwise, insert the key directly and then turn the ignition on. Remember, do you want to continue to learn key? Okay, so for PEPS, please remove the start button and insert the key to be learned. Otherwise, insert the key directly and then turn the ignition on. So I'll go ahead and place, I'm shaking like a leaf here, sorry about that. Place one of these keys in the ignition. And then turn the ignition on, hit OK. Current number of keys is 3, learning successful. Do you want to learn the next key? And yes, we do. So I'm assuming that we'll take this key out and we'll place another one in here. Turn the ignition back on, I hope. Hit yes. Turn the ignition off and pull out the current key. Insert another key to be programmed. Turn the ignition on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the ignition off to be on the safe side. Go ahead and turn it back on. Let that all come back alive. Hit OK. Current number of keys is 4. Learning successful. Do you want to learn next key? No, I do not. And we're going to hit escape, escape, escape again. We're going to get out of this function here. I don't know all the criteria here. I definitely don't want to leave nothing open. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this key, and I'll show you this. She wanted the blue key, so she got a blue key. So put it back in, and well, I can get you a shot of the dash there. Okay, this is the first key. Whoa, scan tool. Here's the other key. I'll go ahead and put it in there. Security light, see if it goes out. Okay, security light is out. Car starting. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I suppose that's how we can program a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan with the use of the IM508. I'm going to go ahead and shut her down. So, try to do a little bit something different. I think it was easier to do the phone recording. I'm gonna pull that part off the phone, start out with this one, and go end with this one here. Guys, I appreciate everybody that subscribed to the channel. You know, thank you. Like, do whatever it is you do, and till next time.